My dear buddies, visor down. Yo, my dear buddies. So my old viewers know about this beautiful lady. She is the Suzuki GSXR 1000 2008 model. And well, because of my life, which is extremely busy these days, I don't get to ride her much. But today, on a Sunday morning, I am on a date with this beautiful Japanese beast. How does she sound? Let me know, buddies. I'm not even using 20% of the power of this motorcycle. She has got 180 horsepower and she weighs 180 kilograms. So that is 1:1 power ratio. She can do 0 to 160 kilometers an hour in the first gear. No ABS, no traction control, only man control. That is what we want in a wild babe. I like bad girls, and she is one hell of a bad girl. You gotta know how to deal with her, else she is going to not spare you. I'll stop somewhere nearby and give a nice look to you guys of this motorcycle. As I mentioned, she is a Suzuki GSXR 1000. She is a super sport model, but right now she's in a naked form. That is how I like the things which I really like. I like them naked. I'm not going to ride very fast. I'm going to enjoy the beautiful countryside and the exhaust note of this motorcycle. I mean, she can go up to well over 14,000 RPM, and well, she will simply start to fly. Literally, the front wheels will start to rise up. A power wheelie will come into play even without you touching the clutch lever. All that you have to do is open throttle. I want to take it easy. Take it easy. I'm simply wearing a denim jacket today. I'm not in my full gear. When you ride these motorcycles, you better be in a full leather suit. Not even a two-piece suit, but a full single-piece leather suit. Let me stop somewhere and I'll give you guys a look of how she looks. Neutral? Come on, baby, give me neutral. Yeah. Sound check. Wow. Take a look at her, absolutely naked and ready for performance. She's got a Two Brothers exhaust. Wow. I mean, I got many videos on my YouTube channel of this baby when I used to regularly do MotoVlogs till a few years ago. Ah, baby, I missed you so much. I missed you so much. Mwah. Love you, love you. Even my R1, the Yamaha R1 that I have, she's also due for a good service, and I would bring her back into action too. Here we go. First gear engaged. 1, 2, 3. In our country, we got to be very careful. No matter how good the road is, we never know, an animal could cross the road. With power comes responsibility, and these superbikes are powerful as hell. And if you can ride this superbike and not get yourself into mess, that is an unfortunate accident or so, then you can ride any superbike on the planet, because these motorcycles don't have any electronic aids. As I mentioned, no damn traction control, no ABS, no bloody computers on board. Lovely. I'm gonna turn back now soon and go back to where I started from. So buddies, you know, thank you for all the love and support. I started making YouTube motorcycle videos 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago as a matter of fact, in 2012, 2013, and people still love me. I reduced the number of videos that I make from the year 2019, but even now, till date, people absolutely love me. The love, support that I've received is remarkable, and I will get back to motovlogging soon. See, I'm 39 years old now. When I started motovlogging, I was probably 27 years old, and life changes so much, correct? Your responsibilities in your personal life change so much. Your family members become older, your kids grow up, and career-wise, your responsibilities increase. And I'm doing so much, multiple companies, projects, startup businesses. So I don't get to go out and ride much, but I make sure I ride in the city sometimes, at least alternate days. But motovlogging in the city is no fun, correct? So much of traffic. So I don't go on breakfast rides anymore. I don't tour much, but I will get back, buddies. Thanks for holding on. Hold on for a little longer and I will get back. And I will get back with a bang. I'm not even opening the throttle, about 10-15%. You see this? Wow. I always say this, that these kind of motorcycles give a man the highest pleasure that he can have with his pants on. I mean, sex is awesome with a human, but sex with these motorcycles, these superbikes, is something which is inexplicable. You cannot explain that pleasure, that satisfaction. Correct? You see that I'm in third gear, little bit of throttle. The front wheel wants to fly in there. A woman can have mood swings. A woman might not want to make love to you very often, but all that she needs is some engine oil and some gasoline, and she's ready for action in the day or in the night, 24/7. Many people asked me, did I sell my Yamaha R1, the GSXR? No, buddies. I don't sell my motorcycles. The only motorcycle that I sold ever in my life has been the Duke 390, which I regret like hell. Why I don't sell motorcycles? Because motorcycles are my lovers. Motorcycles are my girlfriends, and I don't sell my girlfriends. I just like to have multiple girlfriends. And I like it when they scream. She's a girlfriend who loves to scream. She had a mask in the front, Iron Man kind of a mask. We removed that recently. It just made her more sexy in a way. It is so tempting to pop wheelies on these motorcycles. I mean, popping a wheelie is very easy because of the power that she's got. She is 110 Newton meters of torque. Imagine that, 180 kgs and 110 Newton meters of torque is just ballistic. The amount of thrust. I mean, she's a girlfriend who likes to ride you. You are simply sitting and she likes to ride you. Alright buddies, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching a MotoVlog on a Superbike by Vikas Rajmala after ages. And I promise I will do this very often, but time doesn't permit me to do so because of my life situations these days. But thank you for holding on. Hold on for a little longer and I will bring back the classic MotoVlogs. Thank you buddies. Take care. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, share, comment something about the way she screams. Bye bye.